Welcome to Ideas to Learn, part 11 of SQL video series. I am Ganesh. In our previous video, we have discussed about how to write queries using like keyword. And in this video, we will discuss about what is order by and how we can implement it in our queries. If you take this employee table as an example, and if you look at the names, they are not arranged in alphabetical orders. They are all mixed. If suppose I want this as arranged in certain sequence, then I can use the order by keyword. Let's see how to implement this order by and achieve our scenario. Select start from employee, order by. As I need to sort the name field, I need to mention the name field over here. So order by name. Let's execute this query. If you look at the result set, it is automatically sorted starting from letter A up to Z. So what this tells us is, by default, order by sorts in ascending order. If suppose I want the name to be sorted in descending order, to achieve that, I can specify as DESC at the end. I'm executing this now, and we have names sorted in descending order. Similarly, you can give ASC for ascending explicitly. When we execute this query, we have the name sorted in ascending order. Okay, let's see one more scenario. So far we have seen how to sort a single field. But what if I need to sort multiple fields? I want to have male employees to be listed first and then followed by the female employees. Within the sorted male and female employees, I want to further sort the names for male and female employees. Let me put it in another way. I want my employee list to be display only the male employees first, and only after all male employees are listed, only then the female employees needs to be listed. And in that sorted male and female list, I want that list to be further sorted for name field. Let's see how we can achieve that. In the same query, select star from employee, order by, gender type, comma, name. Now let's execute this and see the result. Okay. If you see the result, gender F comes in the first, followed by the gender M. This is because as we have not specified explicitly for gender type, by default it is sorted as ascending. And that's the reason F comes first before M. And if I want M to be listed at the top, I can give descending over here and let the name field be in ascending. Let's execute this query. As we have expected, male employees are listing at the top, followed by the female employees. And if you look at the male employees, they are all sorted in ascending. Similarly, the case for female employees. If in case you want to display only the male employees in a sorted way, so in that case, you can use the where condition. And you can write a query like this. In the existing query, I can add where gender type equal to M. Let's execute this query and see the result. This query retrieved only male employees, and the names are also in sorted order. This is all about order by. And if you find this video useful, I suggest you to share this with your friends and colleagues. Closing it for now. Thank you.